हेलो ऑल, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज अपन सीखेंगे हाउ टू build a basic app in Android Studio. We have already seen how to install the Android Studio, right? Now we will see how we will see a basic app in Android Studio. So let us start. First, open the Android Studio. The screen should look like this. Then select new project. Then click up empty activity or no activity, right? Empty activity. Click empty activity, right? Then click next. Then my give the application as basic, give the name as basic app, right? And choose basic app, right? Then configuration will choose Kotlin API 24 set. Just a minute. So here, before choosing the app, we have an option to choose the language, right? So let us see that. So here write basic app, then choose Kotlin, then finish. So now here the basic app has been created with the main.kotlin, right? Now what we do, we will run a basic app. So for that, let us see how to do that. So now here it is run. So first of all, it is building the app. Here you can see that the Gradle build is going on. It will take few minutes, right? So now the Gradle has been finished, right? So now we will do a basic app run. So for that, here is our device, and then we will run the application on the device. So it is Gradle building. Now it has been run. Hello Android. So in the next lecture we will see how to change the text from hello Android to hello name or hello world or anything else, and how to keep the world in center. So here I will give a short review. So here, so that's all. Thank you.